What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just took delivery of the TRX4m Utility trailer 1/18 scale from Traxxas, and I'm going to unbox it and see if we can get it hooked up to our Ford Ranger. Y'all have met Dookie before, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of Alright guys, so alright, that box is empty. Okay. Alright, so here's what we got coming out of the box. We get our instructions in English and Espanol. Let's see, so what we got here. Ford Bronco, Land Rover Defender. Well, we don't have a Ford Bronco or Land Rover Defender. We have the Ford Ranger. Does that mean it won't work? We're about to find out. So, out of the box, this is what the utility trailer looks like. I'm liking those wheels and the Traxxas tires there. That's your tread pattern. Looks like it'll be pretty grippy when you want to do some crawling or whatnot. There are no lights on this utility trailer. I don't know if we can change that, but that would be in a future video. So it's just pretty self-explanatory. It's where you hook up the hitch right there on the front there. You got these. It does come with a hitch and a couple of screws that you attach onto the bumper of your vehicle. Guess we're going to have to see if this will work for our vehicle. We shall see. And if we can get it connected and all that good stuff, we're going to take her out and see how this guy handles with the trailer attached to it. Okay, so let me get my tools and take the bumper off and see if this will actually fit on the back of this truck. Okay, we got the cover off, 2 screws here. Bumper is off. Okay, so my theory is connect the hitch to this bumper here, the hitch on the back. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is on the vehicle. So I think we do it like that. Seems to be on there pretty good where it won't come off. The obvious thing to do is to take this out and see what she can do when she has a trailer attached to her. So I'm going to put the body back on, connect the lights, and let's take her out for a run, boys and girls.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, we got some wax here, and I don't think it's going to do it because of the trailer. So we're going to try and see, but if not, I'll take the trailer off and see how the truck does without the trailer.
That voice.
As you can see, it doesn't do too great with the trailer, so I'm going to leave the trailer off and we'll see what it does.
Oh my God, her voice.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we crawl here at noprosrc. It's hot out here, and we got some people singing in the tunnel. But I hope you enjoyed this brief video of crawling with the trailer with the Traxxas TRX4m. And stay tuned, we're going to have a lot more with this guy. The trail that we were going to go to is closed, but we got another spot that we can hit up. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up to let everybody know that this video is worth watching. Click that post notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. The trailer with this is awesome. I definitely recommend it. I will drop the link down in the description below. Until the next one, y'all be easy. Peace.
Wait, before we go, I had to meet the voice.
Welcome to noprosrc.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Welcome to nopros. Wait, I have to do it again. That's it, bro. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. We're in the tunnel. Yeah.
Oh,
You got this, girl.
okay. Welcome to noprosrc.
Thank you. Thank you.
Should I do it again?
Sure, sure.
Okay. That's right. What did I do? Welcome to nopros. Okay. I see. I see. Okay. Okay.
You do the voice, girl. Come on.
I'm done. Thank you. Okay. Welcome to noprosrc.
That was beautiful. Thank you.
I just lived it a little bit.
All right, Taylor, here we go.
Okay, let's go. I don't know which one. My Instagram is Isisalea, ISISALEAH.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.